Hi everyone, this will be my introductory lecture to English 1301 section 80. This is a summer session course, so this is for summer session 2. However, many of the ideas may apply also to a regular semester course. One of the biggest differences between this and a regular semester course is, of course, our schedule is much more complex. As you can see by the little calendar down here in the corner on my PC, our class will begin on the 11th and will most likely end on the 11th of August. So we might get a couple days there. It might even go into the 16th. I'd have to check the schedule to be sure. But we're only getting 4 or 5 weeks to complete this course. Uh, so that means our schedule is compressed. That one day of class is basically half a week of class time in a regular semester. So it's very important that you stay on top of the work, that you spend as much time as possible. Uh, my name's Dr. Rather, by the way, and I teach English composition, literature, creative writing, basically anything they ask me to teach over here at Lamar State College Orange. I, I think you'll find my approach to composition interesting uh, and intriguing as we move forward, because I'm going to actually allow you to write about a community. So let's get started. We'll come back to the scheduling issue momentarily. Let's get started just looking at the learning management software and the course and how it's set up. What I have here is our first page. This is our home page. This video will appear here under the news feed. You have these different links that you can go to. The two main ones that you'll be using, of course, are going to be Course Home, which will bring you here, and Content, which will bring you to all the course material. Now, the first item you're going to want to download and read and think about thoroughly is the syllabus. In the syllabus, I explain exactly what the requirements of the course are, expectations of me, expectations of you. There are even core rubrics for grading each essay in that syllabus. So it's a very important document. But once you've done that, you need to start working in week 1. There's a little Q&A discussion board where you can post questions and I will respond or other students will respond. There's a link to OWL at Purdue to study MLA style guide. There's a link to an article I want you to read, Things That Make Writing Teachers Cringe. There's a video on plagiarism, a quiz related to that video, the LibGuide at LSEO, information on basic rhetorical modes, a quiz related to that reading, a reading on how to say nothing to 500 words, and your first writing assignment is actually a summary of how to say nothing in 500 words. So you'll need to look up how to do a summary. Some grammar lessons here with a grammar quiz. You'll have to do a research interview for your first paper, and there'll be some more lecture videos posted as the class continues. These are all short videos on how to do a research interview. Then you have your interview notes Dropbox, where you'll have to download or upload your interview notes, essay organization, template for essay, essay 2 organization, and then here's essay 1 and what you'll write your essay 1 on. Each section, each week, is set up in basically the same way, with different things to look at, models, charts, how to create charts, because for your second essay you'll be asked to create charts, quizzes, little things that you need to work on. In fact, I need to clean that up. Excuse me a second here. I'm going to clean that out so it doesn't confuse you. and move that to the top where it belongs. It'll let me do it. So this is a class that is being built a little bit at the same time as you're taking it. So occasionally new information will present itself as needed. And that's an important thing to remember. Don't wait around for new information, but do ask questions and do follow things in the order that they're posted on here, and do watch these lecture videos as they are very important. So you won't be creating a hard copy portfolio. There's actually the digital equivalent of that will be saving each of your papers to these drop boxes. So you have all these different drop boxes that you'll work through. And we'll talk about the peer review a little more. I want to do a specific lesson on peer review with you. Okay, that's all I have for this quick little video. Please email me your questions or set them up on the discussion board, and I can't wait to start reading your writing.